Hi, my name is John Mangan. I'm the president of Virtualbuild, and we're continuing this series of quick videos on building information modeling BIM with a Bill of Materials segment. BIM, as we've said before, it's a visual database, so essentially it's objects in a computer model that are intelligent and know things about themselves, which can allow a number of different things to happen, one of which obviously would be getting an intelligent bill of materials out of a model. To do that, you have to understand how the model sees itself. Essentially, the model will be broken up into what we call units and assemblies. Units, for instance, as you can see on the slide, are they're going to be windows, doors, objects that are typically produced off-site. Those objects then, as you can see, you can drill down and have any number of attributes or properties put into that object so it's intelligent about itself. Then you move over to assemblies. What assemblies are, these happen to be some images that come from Autodesk's Revit, but any of the BIM softwares would have something similar. Assemblies are things that are typically manufactured on-site, produced on-site, and they are going to be, for instance, walls, so that it would be composed of a stud and some drywall, and then it would have electrical things or plumbing things put inside of it after that. Those are assemblies that are layered up. So as you can see, there are roof assemblies, there are wall assemblies, and there are floor assemblies. So essentially those assemblies host these units then that are put in there and give you the overall building as an intelligent database. Within that we'll have standard components and we'll have what we call custom components. Standard components, typically they'll come from the manufacturers or from some third source that creates BIM libraries. Preferably they come from manufacturers. They'd be intelligent objects such as a sink that would come from a sink manufacturer or a refrigerator coming directly that would have a great deal of accurate data about itself, and then it would just be placed on the BIM. To deal with all of this, we have a numbering system. If anyone is familiar with the master format system that used to be 16 categories and now it's expanded to 30-some categories, we are dealing in what we call the uniformat system. You can go to NIST, has a very good publication, and if you get in contact with us, we'll show you where to find that in terms of what uniformat is. But uniformat is basically, it has to do with construction sequencing. So as you can see, you're drilling down into substructure, exterior enclosure, and then you're grouping assemblies around there with a continuing drill down of numbers to get more specific. As a result of all of this, you can schedule anything. So anyone who's used to in the construction industry seeing door schedules, window schedules, you can literally schedule anything. You can see that we can drill down and schedule the perimeter in a room so that you're getting the base trim. Obviously all the area components. So you can actually schedule all the pieces and parts and have sort of a part of kits with your project. Now, in terms of the sequencing going here in the schedules, you'll see that we've got, this is a prototypical house we did for Lennar Corporation, and we're building up, start with the concrete slab work, then you can see the schedules building up in real time next to it with real numbers. As we do the walls, then we come in and put the floor decks in, the framed walls on the first floor, and then the second floor deck as we move down to the second floor walls, then the roof trusses and the exterior sheathing go on, all being updated in a schedule that's giving a bill of materials. So within that, you finally close the project out, you know what all your bill of materials are, so you know what you have in the house, and you can add unlimited intelligence to those materials and manage them a lot better. That's a little bit an inkling of how you can deal with the bill of materials and leverage it through schedules and building information modeling. But please contact us with any questions. You can contact me at jmangan@virtualbuild.com. Again, that's jmangan@virtualbuild.com. Thank you very much.